Did you know that nearly 75% of SUV buyers regret their purchase within just 2 years? Sounds dramatic, but it's a real trend, and a costly one. You spend $30,000, $40,000, sometimes even $60,000, thinking you've upgraded your lifestyle. But before long, you're slammed with surprise repairs, worse than expected gas mileage, or tech that fails just after the warranty expires. It's a frustrating and expensive lesson. That's why Consumer Reports ran over 70 SUVs through detailed reliability testing. These tests look beyond flashy features and slick marketing, focusing on real-world dependability. And the results? Only a handful of SUVs scored above 85 out of 100 on their reliability index, a score that indicates a vehicle is likely to survive and thrive well beyond 200,000 miles. Even better, one of those SUVs costs just $47 per year to maintain. That's less than your monthly coffee run. So, whether you're SUV shopping now or just want to double-check the one in your driveway, this list could save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Let's get started. Number 1. The Subaru Forester. This one scored an impressive 86 out of 100 in reliability, and it's easy to see why. Subaru has long been a favorite in snowy states and rugged terrains, and the Forester delivers confidence without compromise. Every trim comes standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive, not just the expensive versions. That means it's ready for rain, snow, dirt roads, or anything else nature throws at you. Despite that AWD capability, the Forester still manages 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. Impressive for a crossover. And you also get Subaru's EyeSight safety suite as standard: lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Here's something most people overlook. The Forester uses timing chains instead of belts. Belts need replacement every 60 to 100,000 miles, costing hundreds of dollars. A timing chain? Practically maintenance-free. Add it all up, and the Forester is safe, efficient, and truly built for the long haul. Number 2, the Honda Passport. If you want something with rugged mid-size power, but without the bulk of a massive SUV, the Passport is a hidden gem. It's built on the same platform as the larger Honda Pilot, but it trims the excess and keeps things simple. Under the hood, you get a 280 horsepower V6 that delivers smooth, natural power. No turbo lag, no complicated maintenance drama. It averages up to 25 miles per gallon on the highway, which is solid for its size. The cabin is spacious, the tech is intuitive, and there's very little fluff to break. And like many Hondas, it's easy to service, with parts that are widely available and affordable. Owners often report hitting 200,000 miles or more with original components still running strong. If you want an SUV that works hard and ages gracefully, the Passport deserves a serious look. Number 3, the Lexus RX. Luxury cars usually come with a hidden penalty: sky-high repair bills. But the Lexus RX is different. It's the smart luxury choice. As Toyota's luxury arm, Lexus builds with the same long-lasting engineering, but layers in up-and-scale refinement. Think plush materials, ultra-quiet cabins, and a ride that feels like gliding. The RX 350 uses a silky, smooth V6, while the RX Hybrid delivers more than 30 miles per gallon, which is practically unheard of in the luxury segment. Unlike many German luxury SUVs that rely on complicated turbos and electronics, the RX keeps things straightforward. If you want luxury without the financial black hole, this is the SUV to get. Number 4, the Kia Telluride. This SUV shocked the market when it launched, and it hasn't slowed down since. For decades, Kia was known as the budget brand. The Telluride flipped that script, with a perfect reliability score from Consumer Reports and an 85 from J.D. Power. It's punching well above its price point. The interior feels premium. The third row can fit adults comfortably, and safety features come standard. For around $37,000, you get amenities that would easily cost $55,000 in a luxury SUV. Plus, Kia backs it with a 10-year powertrain warranty. That's peace of mind you won't find in most brands. And here's the kicker: resale value is unusually strong. Used Tellurides often sell for just a few thousand less than new ones. So if you want a premium SUV experience without luxury prices, the Telluride is one of the smartest buys. Number 5. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Need 3 rows? Want to avoid gas station pain? This SUV nails it. The Highlander Hybrid achieves an incredible 36 miles per gallon combined. For the average family, that means about $800 in fuel savings every year compared to standard 3-row SUVs. It earned a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating, and it's common to see Highlanders lasting 15 years or more with routine care, road trips, daily commuting with a carload of kids. It handles it all with quiet, composed confidence. Toyota's hybrid systems are famously durable. The battery packs often outlast the vehicles themselves, easily topping 200,000 miles, for families who want room, reliability, and savings. The Highlander Hybrid is one of the smartest investments. Number 6. The Acura RDX. This is one of the most underrated luxury crossovers on the market. Underneath the badge, it's got Honda DNA, which means you're not trading reliability for style. Power comes from a 272 horsepower turbocharged engine, giving you confident acceleration without sacrificing efficiency, up to 28 miles per gallon highway. The RDX also comes loaded: leather seating, panoramic roof, and Acura's full suite of safety tech, all standard. And here's something most people overlook: depreciation. Unlike German rivals, which can lose half their value in 5 years, the RDX holds its worth far better. That makes it one of the few luxury SUVs that's actually sensible to buy new. With comfort, features, and Honda-level durability, the RDX hits the sweet spot of luxury that lasts. Number 7. The Mazda CX-5. If you've ever felt like most SUVs are just boring appliances, this one breaks the mold. The CX-5 combines sharp handling with real reliability, making it one of the rare SUVs that's actually fun to drive. Opt for the 256 horsepower turbocharged engine, and you've got serious performance, yet it still delivers up to 31 miles per gallon highway. And cost of ownership? That's where the CX-5 shines. The average annual maintenance bill is just $447, about $200 less than competitors in its class. Mechanics report these Mazdas easily clearing 200,000 miles with no major drama. While other sporty crossovers trade longevity for fun, the CX-5 gives you both: style, speed, and savings, all in one package. Number 8. The Toyota RAV4, the best-selling SUV in America, and for good reason. Reliability, resale, and efficiency all come together here. The RAV4 retains about 61% of its value after 5 years, while the average SUV loses nearly half. That's like buying a car that doubles as a savings account. Fuel economy is strong, with up to 35 miles per gallon highway, and Toyota loads it with safety features and thoughtful touches. Like the Highlander, it uses a timing chain instead of a belt, which saves you from expensive replacements. If you want a compact SUV you can buy, drive, and resell years later without regret, the RAV4 is one of the safest bets on the market. Number 9. The Honda CR-V. If there's one SUV that redefines value, it's this one. Consumer Reports says the average CR-V owner spends just $47 per year on maintenance. That's less than your monthly Netflix subscription. Mechanics routinely see CR-Vs crossing 200,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. And they're not just cheap to maintain, they're also strong in resale, with used models retaining up to 70% of their value after 5 years. It's roomy, efficient, and incredibly easy to live with. For peace of mind and low ownership costs, nothing beats the Honda CR-V. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick tips to avoid buying a money pit SUV. Number 1, ignore the badge. A fancy logo doesn't guarantee reliability. Number 2, compare maintenance costs. Some SUVs hide massive repair bills behind flashy features. And number 3, research resale value. A vehicle that holds value saves you thousands when it's time to sell or trade in. So what do all of these SUVs have in common? They don't just drive well, they're engineered for the long run. Each one brings together reliability, resale value, safety, and cost-effective ownership. In a market full of compromises, these are the SUVs that give you peace of mind, year after year. If this helped you feel more confident about your next SUV choice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.